The sights and sounds of Mardi Gras are back at City Hall. You see the crazy lights and the great atmosphere? Well, it's happening. I'm Andy Rizika, and I'm going to show you all around the fun this year for the Mayor's Ball. Mayor Spencer, looking great tonight. Tell me about the Mayor's Ball right here in City Hall.
Well, the Mayor's Ball is back in City Hall for the first time in several years, and I couldn't be more thrilled that this is my first Mardi Gras as mayor. And as you can see, we sold out. We've got a full house, and we have got a beautiful night ahead of us here at City Hall.
What do you think of the City Hall Mayor's Ball this year?
Well, I go back to the original ball back in 2002, and bringing it back to City Hall is a really great step. It really adds a different kind of atmosphere that you can't replicate anyplace else. The rotunda of City Hall is just a great place to have a party like this.
It's my first Mayor's Ball, Mardi Gras, so I wasn't sure if it was going to be too much or not, and she was like, no, it's definitely not too much, so it could be perfect.
This is the time to be creative and really have a fun time with your outfits.
Tell me about being here at the Mayor's Ball.
I'm glad the Mayor's Ball is back. This is a great deal. And it's a help to revitalize the city, create some fun stuff. I love it. I love this.
How's it going, ladies? Having a good time here tonight?
Absolutely.
What a beautiful, beautiful building. Great events, great events.
How'd you pick out your outfits?
Oh, I wanted something gold and fabulous like myself.
Good evening, St. Louis, and happy Mardi Gras! Doesn't it feel great to be back in City Hall? What a wonderful night. I want to thank you all for coming out to celebrate the 47th Mardi Gras celebration. It just so happens to be the same number of years I've been on the planet. Doesn't it feel good? It's still young, isn't it? It's a young Mardi Gras. Welcome back to the People's House. I want to especially thank Mardi Gras Inc. and the neighborhood of Soulard for not only hosting us tonight, hosting us this weekend, but dedicating the proceeds of tonight to helping recover from the May 16th tornado. Isn't it a great cause we're all celebrating tonight? Thank you. And I want to thank King Rex, Bill Seedoff, and all of the sponsors, including our very own Anheuser-Busch, for supporting Mardi Gras 2026. Welcome to the Mayor's House and have a good time tonight.
As Rex, the king of Mardi Gras, reigned 14, and I'm not 47 years old, I can tell you.
but it's great to have you all here tonight back at City Hall, where I did a lot of work in my day. And I just want to thank you all for being a supporter of Mardi Gras. And it's time to party. Let's go, baby! That's right. Yep.
Well, that's it for our coverage here of the Mayor's Ball 2025. The party continues. St. Louis is having a great time for Mardi Gras. Remember, for more stuff like this, you can follow us on social media, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and X, and on our website, stltv.net. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Andy Ruzicka. I'm going to have a good time.